Hello everyone. In this session, we will introduce the UV editor of Atelier 7.0 software. Let's take a look together. Open the tool panel located in the top toolbar. Click the UV editor to access the UV map window. Patterns with materials of low transparency are susceptible to being overlooked during UV layout, resulting in subsequent issues. In the current version, borders have been added to transparent plates, enhancing the convenience of UV layout. Use baking to export textures of this UV map. Here, you can configure baking settings, including quadrant, format, and size. After baking is completed, you'll notice that the exported texture images are uniformly named. The naming convention for texture images follows this format: texture name and UV quadrant. The UV mapping may have requirements regarding the zooming of UV. When the materials mode is set to repeat, the size of UV will not clearly reflect. Just need to change it to unified. When uniform UV zooming is required, you can use the zoom function. When texel density is selected, a pipette icon will appear. Begin by clicking on the pattern that requires uniform zooming. Next, use the pipette to sample the target pattern. You can see that the UV zooming of the pattern has been uniformly adjusted. You can use the layout to rearrange the UV map. If there are still inconsistencies in UV zooming after using layout, you can still use a straw to unify the size of UV. That's the complete introduction to the UV editor optimizations in version 7.0. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.